Hello, wife.
Hello. You recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh, hello.
You ready for what's about to happen?
No, I'm not. You're gonna owe me an iced coffee.
What happened there?
That's horrible. That's horrible. You need to do something about that pronto.
I gotta let her warm up. I gotta let her warm up a little bit before I go. He ain't even ready. He ain't even ready yet. You okay?
Yeah, it's just really annoying.
What? The truck?
Yeah.
Why?
It's so loud and unnecessary.
Oh, it's very necessary. She's not ready to go. Yeah, I gotta let her warm up. Are you ready?
I really don't have a choice. It sounds like a school bus. Speaking of school buses, there's one pulling in. You're gonna scare the children.
Yes, I am.
That is so unnecessary. I'm embarrassed to ride in this car. Chris. Christian!
I'm not even going fast. You okay?
I am actually embarrassed to be seen in this car. This guy thinks you're a dick.
That's okay.
If you get hit in the like punched in the face today, I kind of understand.
Why?
This is terrible.
You want to tell everybody why it's terrible?
Because motherfucker thinks that he's a mechanic. I bought him new headers for his birthday. And he was like, oh, I'm just gonna throw these headers on real quick. It ended up being a 3-day debacle. And then, after he gets the headers to a point where they're on the car and the car can drive, then this man has the audacity to tell me it's annoying, and he asks if he could take my car to work so I could take the truck. No! My car is nice and quiet, and demure, and cutesy.
This old guy.
Look at this old man. He looks kind of like Jay Leno. But like a skinny version of Jay Leno.
Jay Leno's twin.
Like a skinny version of Jay, and like a less wealthy version of Jay Leno.
See the kids right here?
Yeah.
They're about to get scared.
Chris. Oh my god, it's so bad.
Why?
It's so bad.
Oh, we didn't even get on the street yet.
It's so bad.
We didn't even get on the street yet. I don't even think you're ready for this. I don't think you're ready. You ready?
What the fuck? I think this guy wants you to pass him because he doesn't like your fucking truck.
Nah, I don't know what you're talking about.
It's exactly what happened. Chris, that's terrible. You need to fix that. But you're not spending any more of our money to do it, so figure it out. Wife's
okay.
now mad.
I got it. I can fix it. I got the rest of my exhaust I can put on.
When you put the exhaust back on, or the cats, or whatever, how is it gonna be?
Not as bad as this.
This is bad, though.
What?
What do you mean, why?
What?
I can't.
Look at
I
that.
can't do it.
It's okay.
Listen, look, I'm getting a text of Bible verses because Jesus wants to know that he's with me right now.
See these kids right there? It's okay, Mike.
This sounds like a diesel school bus on steroids.
5-7 Hemi.
5-7 heavy. Shut the fuck up.
Now I gotta get my mom's reaction.
Your mom's already heard it.
She gotta be in the truck to hear it.
It's vibrating my butt cheeks.
I told you, it's a built-in vibrator. Just for you. I thought about you.
Aw, thanks, babe.
Oh, you're welcome. This is what husbands do. Very, very demure.
Rich and Michael!
Sorry. Sorry, that guy was just an asshole. He cut in front of me. He ran a red light.
So are you!
Nuh-uh! I was in the middle of the road! I was
Yeah.
in the middle of the intersection.
Because you knew that you were
Turning.
gonna have to wait for the red light to, you know, make it again. So you kind of did too. This is absolutely a terrible. I am never buying you anything for your car ever again, ever.
I'm only doing
Loud environment. Sound levels hit 90 decibels. Around 30 minutes at this level can cause temporary hearing loss. Repeated long-term exposure can lead to permanent damage. Consider using hearing protection or moving to a quieter truck.
It is a truck.
It says
Let me
quieter
see.
area.
Hold on, let me zoom in on that. Oh, they're great. It's okay. I'll get you some iced coffee.
Better.
Well, don't worry.
I want a Porsche Macan too, but not a loud one.
Oh no, see, I can't.
That's gonna be my push present. Right, Chris?
Yeah.
See? You got it on camera. Oh my god!
Mind you, I gotta deal with this for an hour straight.
I don't even feel sorry for you. You did this to yourself.
Oh.
You had a perfectly fine truck. And you're like, I need it to be louder. And you're like, whoops, I made it too loud. Wife, can you be punished for a day so I can drive your car? No, bitch. I don't feel sorry for your ass one bit.
It's okay, you're gonna get an iced coffee.
I am wife and I approve this message. Pumpkin spice brulee latte.
Oh, okay.